How to fix Gemini not available in your country in 2025. Before we start, like this video and subscribe for more AI app fixes. If you're seeing Gemini is not available in your country in 2025, here is the correct and honest explanation with working solutions. Important truth, must know first. Google Gemini availability is region-based. If Google has not officially launched Gemini in your country, there is no permanent official fix yet. However, you can still access Gemini safely using the methods below. Method 1. Use Gemini via Google account region. Best method. Open your Google account settings, go to Payments Profile or Country Settings. Make sure the country is set to a Gemini-supported country. Save changes, restart your browser or app. This works for many users without extra tools. Method 2. Access Gemini using a web browser. Sometimes the app is blocked, but the web version works. Open a browser, Chrome recommended, log in with your Google account, and try accessing Gemini from the browser. This method often works even if the app shows the error. Method 3. Use a VPN, temporary solution. If Gemini is fully blocked in your region, connect VPN to a supported country, clear browser or app cache, and open Gemini again. Warning: VPN is a temporary workaround, not an official solution. Method 4. Update Google Apps. Update Chrome browser. Update Android system. Outdated apps can incorrectly show region errors. What will not work? Reinstalling again and again, creating multiple Google accounts, using fake APKs. These do not unlock region access and may risk your account. Final summary. Gemini availability depends on country. Web access may work. VPN is temporary. Official rollout is the permanent fix. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and comment Gemini fixed below. If you want, I can